Alright, thank you. It's another day. I've just come to feed my chicken with the greens. That is cabbage plus skuma wiki. Look how beautiful they are. My rabbit is there. 5 of them plus the chicken. They are eating the greens well. You see, that's what they are doing. They are walking around, very happy, feeding, dancing. Oh my god, look at that. They are looking pretty cool. You like it. You see? Hmm. That is the environment where they live, they run, they jump, they do everything they want. Wow. It's looking good though. Thanks you so much for watching my video. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.